Hello everyone, welcome back to this new tutorial. So today we are going to show you a Wix based tutorial. So for today topic is about a button. So I'm going to show you how to set a button's settings like in terms of design, the layout, the font, the color, the hover effect that button has. So without any further ado, let's start with the video. So to start with, I have opened one of my Wix based editor. So this is one of my site which I used to basically show or like do some tutorials and that I can show you and put it on YouTube. So this is one of them. So to start with, this is a button, and as you can see, if you look at dimensions, like it's in pixels and its width is 142 and its height is 40. So if we change this to 50, as you can see the button has been increased, but we will again keep back to 40 and we will just increase the width to 150. This is how it is. So now if you want to change the text, just click on change text and we will just change the text to get in. After that, here's the option to choose between. So what it says is, what does the button show? So currently it's on text only, but we do have an option like text and icon only, text only, nothing. What now I'm going to click on text and icon. So as you can see, as soon as I click on text and icon, it has given us an option to add an icon as well. But this is the default icon that it has. But again, put it back to text only. And if you want to put link it to some page, you can link it. And of course, if there is a button, it has to be linked with some of the other page or the link or the document or many options that you can see it has. And it also gives an option to open the new window or the current window. So for example, when someone clicks on the button, so we have to set this option from these two. Like if someone clicks on that button, it that whether that user will be redirected to new window or the current window itself. So we can choose between this. The next option here is the layout. So as you can see, there are so many options here. So you can play around with this option. So as we have clicked on button layout, so this layout section has been opened. So again, there is option which we saw here as well, text and icon only. The current one is the second option, which is text only. Then the alignment is centered. We can click on left. As you can see, it has gone to left, right. We again put center. Then it has a padding. We'll just add a padding of 20. As you can see, it has gone out of that. We'll again put it to 0. If we add to left, then we get padding of 20. Again, it has gone there. We'll just put it to 5 pixel. It's there, right? And if it's on center and still we have put it to 0, again I will add to 5. Nothing has happened. Okay, so on center, nothing much happens here. Then you can see at over, the padding is also 0. So this is how it was about the buttons layout. In the coming video or in some day, I'm going to show you about these options which comes under the buttons design, and there is animation and link which I showed you here, so that the same option is given here. So there are pretty much options of button that I will show you in coming days. So for now, this was about the layout and the changing of the icon and text of a button and the linking of a button. So I hope understood. Thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more such upcoming videos of Wix and many other CMS platforms. So thanks for watching.